Hey, I came on the roof because there's this parrots up here. I wanted to get a better view of them. Here in Israel, it's on the path of a major flyway of birds immigrating to Africa. So you get a lot of really fascinating birds that otherwise you won't see. They're more than flying around here. For the pigeons. There's one of them also, different kinds. Right. I think it's pretty cool. I don't know how well it came out on the camera. And there's another one that just came. No, it's pretty cool. Time to go back down.